Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use a TD Direct investing account. So let's get started. First, open and fund your TD Direct investing account. Over here, you can choose between registered accounts like RRSP or TFSA or non registered ones like cash or margin accounts. Then, transfer money from your TD bank account using EasyWeb or the TD app. You can also fund it through Interact e transfer from another bank. After that, access a trading platform. Over here, you can use Webroker for full trading options like stocks, Fs, and bonds, or the TD app for trading on the go. If you're an active trader, you can use Advanced Dashboard or TD Active Trader for real time data and advanced tools. Then place a trade. Select the stock or if you want, choose buy or sell, and enter the quantity. After that, select your order type, either market or limit order. Once done, review the details and tap submit to confirm your trade. Over here, you can also explore extra features. Track your portfolio, review performance, and use TD's research tools like TD Securities and Morningstar. You can even access tutorials and webinars to improve your investing knowledge. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.